I welcome you to Village Herbs Clinic, and my name is Dr. Herbal. I'm the CEO of Village Herbs Clinic. I would like you to follow us. Now, when you go to our TikTok page, our YouTube channel is there. You can just tap on it and to send to our YouTube videos for detailed information of some of the things we teach over here. I would like to share our videos to followers so that they can also learn more about their health. Today we are going to talk about piles. What are the simple remedies that you can apply to bring piles down or take it out from your system? Some people complain that they feel piles all around their anus. Some people bleeding piles, and some people also complain on the skin. So today we're going to learn more about piles. Very good help for piles is castor oil. A very good help for piles, listen it very well please, is castor oil. When we have piles at the anus, apply just castor oil, the one after bath, it will shrink. Just apply castor oil after bathing, it will shrink. On beneath of the skin, you can just apply it, it will go. Inside the skin, put 1 teaspoon of castor oil in warm water and drink. Bleeding piles and any other piles you find inside, you should just take it out from your system. My name is Dr. Herbal. Piles treatments is castor oil. Thank you for following. Bye.